Well, latest news coming in. Eyewitnesses claim that before Tank died, he said that Doda was behind the crime. As Shivlal Doda is on the run, there are others claiming that he has had involvement in other criminal cases too. All this in connection with a murder in Akali man's farmhouse. Hands and limbs were chopped off of the victim. And Punjab gang war is what it's being termed as, with increasing lawlessness under Badal's regime. Here's a reaction coming in.
मेरा भाई का जो है अबोर में कत्ल हुआ था, मेरे भाई और उसकी मिसेज का।
उनका नाम क्या है?
सतपाल सेठी और आयशा सेठिया। ये 20 नवंबर 2002 की बात है।
किसने किया कत्ल?
वैसे तो जब वो FIR लिखाई गई तो उसमें अज्ञात मुलजिम बताए गए थे, पर हमें दाएं बाएं से इधर उधर से ये पता चला अभी ये जो कत्ल है ये शराब ठेकेदार शिवलाल ने कराया था।
We just heard the eyewitness at the moment. Vishal is also joining us now. Vishal, it's been 6 years to the case. The accused is still on the run.
Yeah, that's true. That is not only the case. There are several other cases of excise violation also against Shivlal Doda. That is what the sources have told us. Now, what's more important is we right now at UT Secretariat, where the SC Commission has summoned the DGP and the Home Secretary of Punjab about the investigation. Meanwhile, the sources in SC Commission have told us that they will summon Chief Minister Prakash Singh Badal or CMO person because they are interfering inside the investigation. They have termed this as a gang war, but indeed it is atrocities against the Dalits. That is what the SC Commission has categorically told us. It's a clear-cut case of atrocities against Dalit. It's not a gang war. They're trying to mislead the country, and they've also taken cognizance of the statement made by Harsimrat Kaur Badal inside the parliament. So here you see the SC Commission is hearing the DGP and also the Home Secretary of Punjab just few minutes from now. They've called them. What's more important is they say that the Badal government is trying to interfere into the investigation, and that is why the police is not acting. That is the allegation of not only Congress but also several other Dalit groups. They're saying that Doda was an influential man. He was the constituency in charge of the region. He was seen very closely. His farmhouse had a helipad where Sukhbir Badal helicopter used to land. So all kind of allegations are flying against Badal, but Badal's categorically saying that they are not aware who is Doda. Even the DIG categorically saying on record that he was not an Akali leader. They are trying to distance themselves, but indeed the government, the police is under pressure. That is the allegation of the Congress party, and that is why Doda has not been arrested till date.